I will show you how you can use the software HoneyChat. So first, search HoneyChat or use the link in the description and click the HoneyChat link. And then you can either log in, register, or register as a guest. If you register as a guest, please use any username. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a number of chat rooms. Here, I'll click on the Talmin chat room with 74 people. And then you're welcome to the chat room. Here you can see the admin, legends, premium, VIPs, and many other categories of people. Here is where people can chat and talk about whatever they desire. If you click up here, you can find different sections for different events. For example, the events board shows you happy birthdays, wishes, DJ zone, leaderboard, quiz scores, news, and finally back to your hub with the room list. Down here, you can change the volume. Over here is a private to the chief admin. This button will refresh your page, and this is your notifications. Over here is your profile, where you can edit your profile, leave the room, log out, or check your gold balance. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this was helpful.